Each day, over the globe, law enforcement and security officers are confronted with many types of dangerous situations and must promptly intervene. Their mission is clear: to stop illegal activity and arrest offenders.
Messieurs, police, arrêtez s'il vous plaît. Messieurs, arrêtez! Ça suffit, messieurs, calmez-vous, séparez-vous.
The first option is always negotiation.
Calmez-vous, monsieur. Calmez-vous, monsieur. Calme.
Should that not succeed, forceful action may be necessary. Very often the use of firearms is not an appropriate solution, presenting a risk to third parties. When facing the all-or-nothing dilemma, less lethal systems are the solution to intimate force. Usually, an enforcement officer will avoid physical contact, keeping a safe distance from the suspect because within a fraction of a second, the situation could become hostile, escalating from verbal aggression to physical attack. Less lethal systems provide a solution. They enable law enforcers to act from a safe distance with the appropriate amount of force, increasing safety for the operator. In response to this problem, FN Herstal has developed a less lethal system that includes a specific projectile and 2 launchers. The concept is to temporarily neutralize a suspect.
Je ne sortirai pas d'ici, mon gars. Là.
Écoutez, monsieur,
chez moi ici, là. Je l'ai déjà dit à l'autre.
Tout à fait, monsieur.
T'auras jamais ma maison.
J'entends
okay
bien, monsieur. Écoutez, nous sommes simplement...
Mais dégage, putain. Dégage.
Centrale pour Liégeois, nous sommes au 18 de la rue Pépin à Liège. Un forcené refuse l'action de l'huissier. Toute négociation est impossible. Demande de renfort immédiat.
Liégeois pour Centrale, Roger. Attention à toutes les équipes pour le poste central. Fort Chabrol au 18 de la rue Pépin à Liège. Équipe d'urgence, mise en place immédiate. Équipe d'urgence, hack.
Allez, viens. Allez, viens. Ramène ta gueule, viens. Viens, putain.
Centrale pour Liégeois. Le suspect est en train d'arroser sa façade avec de l'essence.
Attention pour toutes les équipes. Risque d'incendie. Priorité au FN Herstal.
Jamais tu l'auras. Tu rêves.
Monsieur, s'il vous plaît, posez cela, sinon nous devrons utiliser la force. Flash pour Liégeois. Le suspect est impliqué et menace de s'immoler.
Mais qu'est-ce que tu fous, putain? T'as pas de couilles, quoi.
The particularity of the FN 303 projectile resides in its design. The projectile's shape and internal structure ensures dynamic stability and hence accuracy. The FN 303 is therefore completely suitable for long-range shooting. For short as well as long-range firing, the risk is minimal. According to the studies confirmed by independent laboratories, an energy output of around 30 joules is enough to be efficient without causing serious injury. The adequate level of impact is achieved. Depending on the requirements of the situation, projectiles with an additional side effect such as a marking or irritant effect can also be chosen among the FN 303 range of projectiles. Because each mission and each situation is different, FN Herstal has developed a very versatile system. Suitable for short, long or even very long distance shooting. High accuracy, which enables an operator to hit a predetermined point of impact. And a large capacity magazine for repeated shooting when necessary. Several suspects can be apprehended simultaneously. A safety distance from danger or from the suspect can be maintained. It assures immediate effect with very low risk of impacting anyone or anything not targeted. The operator can choose between the carbine-sized launcher and the compact version. Even though the same projectiles are used and even though the performance and precision are comparable, each one of these models has its own characteristics. The compact version can be easily carried in a holster and is suitable for interventions in a confined area. The carbine-sized launcher can be used for distances over 20 meters or in situations that require a greater number of shots. The separate elements of the FN 303 launcher can be quickly and easily assembled. The launcher is semi-automatic and uses compressed air. The air is stored in an air canister with a capability of about 100 shots. The air is conveyed to the propulsion valve through a quick coupling hose. At this point, all the operator needs to do is open the air valve to render the launcher functional. A manual safety which reduces the risk of accidental fire by blocking the trigger. Retractable, adjustable, mechanical sights. Picatinny rails for sighting devices or flashlight adaptation. A 15 projectile magazine with a translucid rear cover enabling the operator to easily check the number of shots remaining and the type of projectile in use. Another important feature, the launcher is specifically designed to shoot its dedicated projectiles. This totally eliminates the risk of mistakenly using lethal projectiles with the FN 303 system. The launcher is lightweight and its ergonomic design ensures a very comfortable, totally ambidextrous hold. A pressure gauge constantly indicates the level of the pressure remaining in the bottle. The FN 303 has all the necessary accessories for simple and easy use. The tactical vest, which enables the wearer to carry up to 6 magazines and 1 extra air bottle. The quick mounting tactical sling is very useful, whatever the operator's position. The specificity of the FN 303P resides in the magazine, designed to hold 7 FN 303 projectiles and 1 CO2 cartridge to propel the rounds. First, the CO2 cartridge is put in place and then pierced by a manually rotating piston. 7 projectiles can be fired with a reserve margin of CO2. The speed of the projectile having been set in the factory, each projectile will impact the target with the same energy. A side opening in the magazine allows you to see what type of projectile is being used. Once the magazine has been loaded into the gun frame and the safety released, the launcher is fully operational. The FN 303P features fixed sights with white points. The standard version comes with its own lockable transport case and 1 magazine. FN Herstal offers a complete line of accessories for transport or equipped in the launcher with additional sight systems. Accurate, ergonomic, lightweight and simple to use. FN Herstal launchers fulfill the requirements of operators whose main concern is to limit the risk of injury whilst remaining extremely efficient. The capacity of the FN 303 and the agility of the FN 303P enable the operator to respond in the appropriate manner to a very wide range of situations.